Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you the how you can make the what's the problem TikTok trend on CapCut. So here I already have the the result of the what's the problem video actually. So here is my what's the problem TikTok trend. So I will go show you the video like that. So that's actually how the video will look like. So I'm going to show you how you can make that on TikTok. So it's actually pretty easy. You can also made it like from scratch by your own, but I'm using templates, so it will made it easier for you to create the video. So here you can just open CapCut and then go to templates, and here at the search column you can just find the what's the problem. Okay, so here, oops, you can see at the top there is the what's the problem baby I'm in love. So just click on that, and after you click that, there are so many templates about what's the problem that you can choose and use. So actually from the previous video that I show you, I use these templates right here. So it will go like this, and you need to prepare 23 photos or clips for this template, but you can also use this one and you just need 2 photos for this one. So I'm going to just use this for example, and I want to add 2 photo in here. Just click on next and you're done, and you can just click on export and then maybe add it to your TikTok or other social media. Okay guys, so that's it for me. That is how you can make the what's the problem TikTok trend video on CapCut easily. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.